So this is my water pump video for my '89 Lincoln Town Car, and just as I'm getting ready to donate this car, the water pump decides to go out. And at first I thought it was a lower radiator hose, so I actually replaced that, and that's the hose you see in this video. And it's got streaks all over it, and it's got like residue from crap leaking all over it. So I'm like, well, it's not the radiator hose because that's brand new. And after craning my head and breaking it in so many angles, I finally saw the old water pump where it was dripping out of a little weep hole. Dripping. And so here I start to do like a little breakdown and install video. Like you loosen the two clamps on the radiator hose. Very simple. It's the hex head's a 5/16 inch or a 8mm socket or wrench, whatever you can fit on there. But then I was just like, screw it, and I pull the hose away so I can drain most of the coolant out of the whole system, and then I just take everything apart, and you're about to see it. So the fun on the Pimpmobile never stops, and we're doing a water pump today, and I'm just getting everything apart because I'm waiting on the new water pump to come in. But if you guys are doing this job and you're taking off the old clutch fan, these 4 bolts will be on a pulley or attached to a pulley, and if the pulley is spinning on you and you're having trouble wondering how am I going to get these bolts off, because when I turn the bolt head with a wrench, it just spins the pulley in the shaft. What I did is I just grabbed the shaft with a pair of channel locks and held it, and then I put my wrench on each bolt and broke it loose. So go ahead and do that. And got all my parts in here and this super nice interior. That's not very smart, but and also the 2 smaller hoses that come off the water pump, you're gonna want to replace those. Just a recommendation. These are, man, this might be the original water pump, because the water pumps usually don't go out. And this, you can't, I don't know if you can see it, but the nipple off of the old water pump broke off and is stuck in this hose, and then this hose won't come off, so I just sliced it. So Advanced Auto Parts will hook me up. I'll just cut some new hose of the same thickness, and here it is, the old water pump. As you can see, I broke off that nipple. This one isn't in decent shape either. So I think I finally have everything apart, all the brackets taken off or out of the way, and lower radiator hose, upper radiator hose taken off, and maybe, just maybe, I'm not sure if this bolt, is there no one? Yep, down here. I don't know if you can see that, have to come out, but I'm so close to getting this old rusty water pump out of here. So I got the old water pump out, and of course the very last bolt breaks off in the, it's bad. So I'm gonna have to get that out of there, otherwise it won't seal with that being broke off in there, putting all the other bolts in. So work continues on the Pimpmobile, and now I love this thing, but I'm actually trying to get rid of it. So we'll see.